Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can delete comments you post in your website projects using a Webflow web designer. So let us dive into this. So guys, you will need to navigate to the website editor or designer here in Webflow. And for the given website project, of course, you are given access to. And from there, access the comment section. You will find it in the top right. And here on the right hand side, you will see a list of all comments that have been posted for the given page by you or by other users who are given access to the given page or project. You will see also that preview of these comments here posted on the given page. Of course, these comments will not show up in the published website version. It's only here in the editor. For example, to exchange instructions between you and your co-editors here on the Webflow web designer. So you may click into a given comment or go through that list here, click into it, and then you will see the option, for example, to either mark the given comment as complete or resolved if you have posted it, or you may click into these three dots and edit it or delete it entirely like this. And do the same with this one here. Click into these three dots, select delete. You can also click into these three dots on top right and filter comments, show resolved, all comments, and so on and so forth. Let me remove that one I posted for the sake of another tutorial, and then remove it from your list of comments here for the given page only, because you will need to do the same for comments on other pages, of course, of your website project, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.